Hi everybody, welcome to this SPM Modern Maths revisions. This is lesson 15. In this video, I'll be talking about the transformations, but this time it's combined transformations. Okay, let's look at the first questions. The diagram shows quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, you have this ABCD quadrilateral PQRS, PQRS, and PEFG drawn on a Cartesian plane. Transformations T is a translation. Okay, still remember translation? You have learned 4 types of transformations: translation, diffractions, rotation, and the last one is enlargement. Okay, so T is a translation 6, -1. Still remember? 6 means that 6 steps go to your right. -1 go down 1 step. Okay, so this is actually go to right or the left. Since this is positive, go to right. So the number bottom here means up or down. This is negative, mean go down. Okay, so the transformation R, we have another transformation. This is a diffraction in the line y equal to 1. Find the coordinate of the image of point B under each of the following transformation. Okay, so let's go to the first one, translation T. Okay, this is A1. So now we want to find point P, right? Okay, P was the coordinate B. Sorry. So what is the coordinate for B? I write the coordinate first. B. The coordinate is -2, 4. -2, 4. After this translation, 6, -1. Okay, we can write like this, or you can just write a T here. Okay, now it becomes the image B prime. So how to get the coordinate for this image is actually very easy. Still remember the method that I told you last time? -2 plus 6, you get 4. Why plus? Because if you have nothing here, mean plus. Okay, so this you have -4 minus 1, you get 3. So this is image for point B. Easy, right? Okay, but when come to this combined transformation, you need to be more careful. RT. RT means that T is the first transformation followed by R, not the R first. Okay. So later when we want to determine the coordinate of the image, we need to do like this. Okay, I think I write here. Okay, I think I write here. This is A part 2. Okay, I copy the coordinate for the object first. -2, 4. Okay, so RT, so remember T is the first transformation. So this is 6, -1. We did it just now, so I just copy the answer. 4, 3. Okay, now followed by another transformation, which is R. Okay, so where's the coordinate for the final image? Okay, so I think I just draw the axis of diffraction first, y equal to 1. Y equal to 1, this is y equal to 1. Okay, y equal to 1. So this is the axis of diffraction. Now the B prime is 4, 3. 4, 3 is over here. 4 is 3. Okay, 4, 3. Okay, if this point is diffracted in this line, it will become 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so the final image will be here. 4, -1. 4, -1. Okay, easy, right? So now we go to part B1. PEFG, this one, PEFG is the image of ABCD under the combined transformations WV. Means that this one, after two transformation, it becomes this. Describe in full the transformation V and W. Okay, be careful here. WV means that V is the first transformation. Okay, this question is actually trying to give us some hint. The question want to let us know that this ABCD go to PQRS first, then from PQRS enlarge become the final image PEFG. Okay, so we know that this V is actually a rotation, right? V is a rotation. Okay, so the B1. Okay, so we know this is rotation. So rotation, we need to mention the center of rotation, angle of rotation, and the direction of rotation, right? So the first thing, we need to determine the center of rotation. We need a compasses. Okay, so remember, we need two pair of corresponding vertices. So I just choose A and P. Okay, I need to perform the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so then move over here, place at P. Okay, so next you just connect these 2 points together. Okay, so we still need one more perpendicular bisector. So I think I choose this one, C and R. Okay, so don't adjust the width of your compasses. Now place it at R first. Now place at R, make art, doing the same thing for both sides. Okay, then just connect these 2 points together. Okay, so now you see the intersection point, right? Okay, so this is the intersection point. So from here, we know that this is actually what's the angle? What's the angle of rotation? If you can't see, it, you can just draw a line. Okay, so the corresponding vertices for D is actually S, right? So you just draw a line like this. This is actually 90 degree, correct? Okay, so how do we describe it? It's actually very easy. So now we are describing the transformation for V. V is a 90 degree, go this way, clockwise. Clockwise rotation about the point, this is 0, 1. Okay, now we have found the transformation for V. Now we go to the transformation of W. So definitely this one will be an enlargement because the side become bigger. So where is the center of enlargement? Here, right? So we cannot see it. Still remember the way how we find the center of enlargement? Actually easier compared with finding the center for the rotation. So you just choose this and these 2 points, you link together, right? This and these 2 points are corresponding vertices, right? You link together, you will see this will be the intersection point. So this will be the center of the enlargement. So what are the scale factors? Scale factor normally we choose this horizontal line or vertical line. So I just choose this one and this one. So now I want to calculate the scale factor. So I calculate here K. Still remember image always on the top. So this is the image 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Object 1, 2, 3. 3. So scale factor is 2. Okay, so now we can describe it. W is an enlargement of scale factor 2 with the center P. This is 2, 2. Okay, so we go to the last one. Okay, so this one, given that the area of the shared region, okay, this is the shared region, is 54 square centimeter, calculate the area of PQRS. So we know that the PQRS is actually the object, and PEFG, this is the image. Still remember the formula? This one is very important, you need to remember it well. Area, okay, I think I just use short form. Area of image is equal to K squared times area of object, right? So since that this shared region is 54 square centimeters, so we know that how do we get 54? It's actually using the area for the image minus the area of the object, right? Okay, so we can write an equation. Area of image minus area object is equal to 54. Okay, and we know that this area of image is actually equal to K squared times area object. K squared times area of object. Okay, this one we just copy 54. Okay, so now we know that just now we get the scale factor of this enlargement is 2, so it will be 2 squared times area of object minus area object. We get 54. Okay, so this is 4a minus a, 54. Okay, so you have 3a, right? 54, so AO representing area object. So we know that area object is equal to 18. So area of the PQRS is equal to 18 square centimeter. Okay, so this sub question is actually not that hard, right? So this formula is very important. Make sure that you remember it well and know how to use it. Let's try this another questions. Diagram shows 2 point PQ on a Cartesian plane. The transformation T is a translation. 3 -2. 3 step to your right, 2 step go down. Okay. So transformation R is an anti-clockwise rotation 90 degree about the point 0, 1. So where the center of rotation? Let me draw it first. 0, 1. So here will be 0, 1. Okay. So this is the center of rotation. State the coordinate of the image of point P under transformation R. Means that under the rotation. Okay, so P A1. Okay, so P, the coordinate for P is 3, -1, 3, 3, -1. So after this rotation, where is the image of point P? So this one still remember, we use L shape to get the location of the image. Always start counting from the center. 1. Okay, I think I choose another color. Just this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This is 3, 2, right? So rotate anti-clockwise 90 degree. 3, 2. It will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so this will be the image. So the coordinate is 2, 4. 2, 4. Okay, so how about the second one? Set the coordinate of the image of Q. Now it's Q. Okay, so write down the coordinate first. -2, 2. -2, 2. Remember, when we want to write the coordinate for a point, we need to write the x coordinate first, followed by the y coordinate. Okay, d square means that translation 2 times. Okay, translation, where is it? 3, -2, right? You can write t also right over here. So I write 3, 2 because I want you to see it clearer and easier for you to get the image for point Q. Okay, Q prime will be positive 3, -2 plus 3, you get 1, 2 minus 2, you get 0. Okay, so translation one more times, 3, -2. 1 plus 3, you get 4. 0 minus 2, you get -2. Okay, so this, how about this one, TR? This is part B, this one is part A, T squared. Okay, TR, be careful. R is the first transformation, followed by T. Not T first, then followed by R. Okay, be careful here. Same point, Q, -2, 2. Okay, rotation. Where the coordinate for this Q after rotating 90 degree anti-clockwise about point 0, 1. Okay, so that we use another color. Anti-clockwise rotation of 90 degree. Start counting from the center. Remember, 1, 2, 1. Okay, this is 2, 1. Anti-clockwise 90 degree. 1, 2, 1. Okay, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, this will be the center. Sorry, this will be the image. Okay, it's -1, -1, -1, -1. Followed by translation. Okay, this will be easy one. -1 plus 3, you get 2. -1, -2, you get -3. Okay, so this will be the coordinate for the final image. Let's go to the second part, describe in full of this transformation. Okay, I think I forgot to put something here. Hold on. Okay, this is a missing part. The diagram shows three polygon A, B, C, D. You have A, B, C, D, and E, F, G, H, and P, Q, R, S on the Cartesian plane. E, F, G, H, this one, E, F, G, H is the image of A, B, C, D under the transformation. Okay, it's the image of A, B, C, D under the transformation M. Okay, P, Q, R, S is the image of E, F, G, H under the transformation N. So we know that this object moved to here and the transformation is M. So this will be a diffraction, right? So how to determine the axis of diffraction? Very easy. Excuse me. Take out the compasses. Okay, so these two are corresponding vertices. Actually, for this question, if you don't want to use the compasses, you also can get the answer because it's actually very easy. And place over here. Next step, connect these 2 points together. Okay, so this is the axis of diffraction. So how to describe the M? M is a diffraction, right? M is a diffraction in the line. Okay, how to name this line? This is x equal to 3, right? X equal to 3. Okay, now we go to n. N definitely this one will be an enlargement. The center is somewhere around here. Okay, so how to get the center of enlargement? Very easy. Choose two pair of corresponding vertices, S and H. Connect it together. Oops, sorry. S and H. Connect it together. One pair is not enough. Another pair, okay, R and G. The intersection part will be the center of enlargement. Now we need to calculate the scale factor K. Always remember image on the top. So PQRS is the image. So normally we choose the horizontal line or vertical line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 is 1, 2. The scale factor is 2. So N is an enlargement of scale factor 2 with the center. Okay, so what's the coordinate for the center? 3, 3, right? Wait, sorry, not 3, 3. This should be 5. 5, 3. Okay, so 5, 3. Okay, then we go to the last one. Given the area of PQRS, PQRS is image is 44.8 square centimeter. Calculate the area of the shaded region. If you want to calculate the area of the shaded region, means that we need to use the area of PQRS minus the area of this object, right? So now we are looking for the area of object. Same formula again. Area of image equal to k square. Now we know, okay, I write the formula first. K square times area of object. So area of image, area of image is 44.8. 44.8 is equal to k square. The k is 2 square times area object. Okay, so we know area object is equal to 44.8 divided by 4, right? So it will be 1, 1, and 2. Okay, so this is the area of EFGH. So we are looking for the shade region. So area of the shaded region will be equal to area of the image, whole thing here, 44.8 minus area of the object, 11.2. So you will get 6. Okay, so this is the area of shade region. Okay, so for this video, combined transformation, I just stop here. Hope that you understand better about the combined transformation after watching this video. If you think that my video is helpful, make you understand better, share it with a friend who needs it. Thanks for your support and see you again in the next video. Bye bye.